Then I'm going to show you guys how it works. Okay. Swipe on the screen. This is what the screen looks like. Still have the plastic on the screen. We have diagnostics, service, data manager, settings, updates, Maxi View, support, OEM authorization, remote desktop, Maxi Video. This is for the camera itself here. That's what the Maxi Video is for, this camera. We have the quick link, Maxi Tools. Then we have the Autel User Center. And then we have on the main screen where we can just search the tablet for whatever we need. Then we have the home button here. Okay, then we have the Android screen. Then we have this button. It's to close out pages. Okay, so we're closing out these pages here. That's how you do that. This one definitely has a faster processor. Then we have the contrast, the brightness for the tablet. Then we have also a quick button to get to the diagnostics menu. And then we have another one to get to the service menu, a quick button to get to the service menu. Okay, so let me see. So it's loading up real quick. Okay, so now we have diagnostics. Okay, as you can see, the screen is sharper. The picture is a lot better. The icons look nicer. Then we have service. We have oil reset, electronic parking brake, TPMS, BMS, brake bleed, DPF, SCR, mobilizer keys, injector, SAS, suspension, throttle, window, driver roof, seats, odometer, language change, headlight change, tire, tech learn, ABS, cylinder, VGT learn, speed of PTO, clutch, transmission, adaptation, airbag reset, air fuel setting, automatic start stop, electronic pump, water pump start, EGR valve, VIN. Then we have FRM reset, transport mode, HV, ACC, AC, rain light sensor, reset control module, and ACC. Okay. Then we have data manager. This is what shows the vehicle histories, like the cars that you have worked on. This shows the reports. You can save the PDFs, the data logins. You can save it here. You can even enter, like, say, your business information here and send people emails to basically show them the receipt. So then we have settings here. We have unit. We have languages. These are all the languages that it works with. Okay. Then we have printing settings where you can connect it to a printer. You can report to the cloud. Push notifications. They have firmware updates. Auto update. Vehicle list. We have system settings where it takes you to system settings. System settings is where you would go to connect to the internet. You would click on Wi-Fi and then connect to your Wi-Fi. And then they have airplane mode, hotspot tethering, if this has phone service on it, but it doesn't. We can connect USB devices, apps, battery, display, storage is 26.36 gigs free, 59% is used. Okay, then permissions, privacy, location, security, just like an Android 11 phone. Okay, so then we're going to go to about. As you can see, it does run Android 11. And this is the version number and everything. Okay, and then this is the about. Serial number and stuff. Okay, so then we have updates where it shows the updates for other vehicles, which none of these they have in the United States, where I'm from. And these are, like, I guess, Chinese vehicles. So, yeah, not interested. So I'm not going to do the updates for those. Okay, so then we have Maxi View. So Maxi View is where you can go to actually find. And it tells you what years that it will work for and what things that it would do. See, like, initialization of the SRS, seat output check. See, like, it shows you exactly what it'll work for and what it won't work for. So that's really good. That's a really, really good option. Okay, so I'm not going to get too fully in depth with that. So then we have support, customer service support, OEM authorization. Okay, then we have remote desktop where you can control it from another device. Then we have Maxi Video. So I'm going to show you guys the Maxi Video right now. Okay, this is the digital inspection camera on it, on the end. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the Maxi Video. I'm going to click on it, and it'll literally show me. This is the video camera. What's on the box? Like I said, it's to tight to reach places. As you can see, this is what it looks like close up. If you're going close to something, putting it in the bag, showing you guys, it does show pretty clear. Okay, then we can go to the picture here, to the image that we saved, the screenshot, and that's it. That's how you use this. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect it right now, just unplug it from the top. Digital inspection camera's been disconnected. That's fine. So now we're going to get back to the features of the device itself. Then we have the quick link to get to the Autel. Okay. Then we have Maxi Tools. Okay. Then we have Autel User Center. And these are all the options that's here. This is the name that I put in, just a fake name. So basically, this is the device. It works really, really well. It works really, really quickly. It's just a huge upgrade from the MK808, the way it was before, to now. As you can see, the screen looks a lot clearer. Everything is clearer. The process is faster. Everything about it is just all around better. And with the inspection camera, and then it's also bi-directional now. Okay. It has extra special functions. It has the digital camera. It has the newly